Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the d3dcompiler.dll error when launching the Epic Games Launcher. So recently there have been a lot of errors that came up when launching Epic Games, and I'm going to try to do a whole bunch of videos in which I'm going to show you how to fix those errors. So hopefully these videos will be useful for some of you. And of course, if they're useful, don't forget to like these videos and subscribe to the channel. So if you get this error, there's a very simple fix. What you have to do, just open the File Explorer and then go to this PC, go into the partition where you have Epic Games installed and of course your operating system. Go into the Windows folder and then press S to go into the System32 folder, and here search for the d3dcompiler.dll file. Now, as you can see, I searched up for it. We have here 3 files in the System32. You have to delete this one, d3dcompiler_43.dll. So shift delete to permanently delete it and then continue. And now the file is deleted. Now go back to the Windows folder and go to syswow64. And again, search for the d3dcompiler file and delete the one with _43 again. Shift delete to permanently delete the DLL file, press enter, and then continue. If we refresh, the file is deleted. So what you have to do next, just go to dllfiles.com into the link that I'm going to leave you in the description down below, and we're going to re-download the latest versions of these DLL files, both the 32-bit version and the 64-bit version. So we paste them in the places where we deleted them. Let's download the 32-bit version first. Click on download, of course skip the ads and stuff like that, wait for the download to start, and I'm going to show you where to put it. So we first downloaded the 32-bit version. Now go into the location where your files download. In my case that is downloads, and I'm going to extract this archive, extract all, extract, and we have the file here. If you go into README, you have some information, but you don't need it because I'm going to show you what you need to do. Just Ctrl+C and go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, press S, go to System32, and then Ctrl+V to paste the file in here. And the file is pasted here, as easy as that. Now, you can delete these files, and now we're gonna have to download the 64-bit version as well. You can see the version here on the architecture section. We first downloaded the 32-bit version, and now we're gonna download the 64-bit version. Click on download. Again, go to the location where your files download, extract the archive, and we have the 64-bit version of this DLL file here. Copy it, Ctrl+C, go to this PC, local disk C, or as I've said, wherever you have your Windows installed, go to Windows, press S, and then go to syswow64, Ctrl+V to paste the file here, continue, and as easy as that, the error from the Epic Games Launcher should be fixed. Also, for this problem, make sure you have the Microsoft C++ redistributable and DirectX installed. And if you have all those sorted out, the problem should not appear anymore, the error should not be there, and you should be good to go when using your Epic Games Launcher. So this was the video for today, guys. If it was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below this video, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel for more great content like this. Until next time, have a nice day.